You know, one thing I want to let Nike know is that this tape right here, look, it's a good design. It's good quality tape, but you were just asking for it to be robbed. What is up, everybody? Hope you're having a good day today. For today, I want to go over my new pickup. I got in the Nike Hippie 01, and I just want to do a nice little unboxing with y'all while you're here with me. So let's begin. Whoa. Okay. So it comes with a dust bag. Nice little bag right here. So that's the bag. And then here we are. Check them out. I love how the inside is kind of like weird looking. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty different. Man, it's actually pretty cool, pretty aesthetic. Let me put on my feet real quick. So now that it's on my feet, it feels like, I want to say a stiffer fly knit. It's really light. I really like it. It's pretty dope. I want to say it fits really snug as well too, so if you're a wide footer and you go true to size, it could be a little snug. If you like some space, then probably go up a half a size. These are dope. I really love the swoosh on there. Love the bright orange swoosh color. It bodes well with this. If you get your pair, I think you'll really like it. It's a pretty cool summer vibe shoe too. It's very lightweight, like I said earlier before, and if you like these shoes, you're gonna look clean with them. I love how this material is just like, they said it's like trash. Nike did a really good job on this. There's more coming out, I believe, in 2 weeks. So there's that Volt pair, the gray and Volt pair. So if you missed out on these, I mean, hopefully you can get yours in a week or two whenever they come out. I didn't even know. So this was the box itself. This whole thing, the one with the tape on it. Like in here, you can probably see, oh, here's the other pair. I forgot to show you the other pair. This is the box, and they literally just shipped the box. There's no the usual orange or red Nike boxes that normally come with this. This is pretty different, I like it. Other than that, nice little quick review about it. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you got your pair or if you got the other Nike Space Hippie. If you can, please leave this video a thumbs up. It goes a long ways to help my channel grow. Feel free to subscribe to my channel as well too. I'll see you guys in the next video.